babes, welcome back to the channel. So we're back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring Unice hair. Big thank you to Unice for sponsoring yet another video. Now let's jump into this look. So y'all already know from the thumbnail that I am super excited about this one. Baby, we have another black cherry wig, but this one is a loose wave and it is layered and it has curtain bangs. I'm super excited to get into this one. So you already know how I feel about this color. I'm gonna throw on the burgundy brows to go with it because I'm just obsessed with this color. So the inside construction of this wig, it comes with a drawstring. You do have silicone grip even though you have a drawstring, and you still have an elastic band, and you have one comb in the nape area. So once I pop her on, you already know I'm gonna stick that comb under my wig cap. I'm gonna cinch the drawstring and tuck the drawstring in to conceal it. Now I had a different vision in mind when I first got the wig. I was like, oh, since this is a loose wave, I'm gonna use a wand curl and do like some loose waves. I definitely forgot why I stopped using this wand curl. I do not like that it is tapered. So you're gonna see me wand curl this entire wig, and then you're gonna see me use a curling iron on this entire wig because I just had to change the style. So first of all, it comes with a roller in there that is gonna separate your bangs so you don't have to go fishing through the hair to figure out what pieces are your bangs. And I'm going to pull that down just to see where they fall, but I will use the roller for the most part to keep it out of the way. I did have to use a little bit of concealer to clean up my part, but I feel like that's because this is a certain color. Because it's a colored wig, I needed a little concealer to brighten up that part because it was a little dark. So the next thing that I wanted to mention was the fact that this hair holds a really good curl. This is a loose wave texture, but I was able to curl it with two different barrels. It does curl really well. So if you want to wear this straight or if you want to add some curls to it, you can do both. So I want you guys to tell me which style you like better. I've already told you which one I like. I do not like the tight curls. I feel like it took away from the length, because keep in mind that this is 24 inches, but once I curled it up with that little barrel, I felt like the hair looked shorter and I was not feeling it. But moving forward, I'm just going to section the hair and I'm curling everything away from my face. I really just dusted the curtain bangs because they did a good job with cutting it, but I dusted it a little more. It fell at the perfect length. That is really all I had to do. I mean, they make these wigs so that you can just buy them, get them, and wear them. You do not have to go through this crazy install process. So I'm gonna have all the links down in the description box so you can check that out if you want to purchase. All products and tools that I used will be linked as well. Big thank you to Unice Hair for sponsoring yet another video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Summer. I feel like summer. I feel like summer. You can feel it in the streets on a day like this. That heat, I feel like summer. She feel like summer. I feel like summer. 7 billion souls that move around the sun, growing faster, faster, not a chance to slow down. Slow down. Man who made machines that want what they desire. Parents trying to tell the children, please slow down. can feel it in the streets. On a day like this, like heat, it feel like summer. I feel like summer.